M0FXB, welcome back to the shack. I had a question. What's the difference between the OpenSPOT4 Pro that you're seeing on the left and the new m1Ke on the right? So price-wise, the 4 Pro at the moment on the left is about £300, so it's selling for quite a good price at the moment, and it will connect your radios, your DMR, D-Star Fusion radios, to your talk groups, you know, just using a small box, which you can see it in the image, and I'm just holding one here. Okay, just there. And if I turn up my radio, you'll see it's connecting. And with the Pro model, you can actually cross mode, so you can join your DMR radio to Fusion, YSF, or D-Star, and other modes as well. So it's good. They got built-in APRS, all that kind of stuff. So it's a fantastic device, and I completely rate it. And it's designed to work with your digital radios. Now, the concept behind the m1Ke is that it's an all-in-one device. It does not use and cannot use a radio. Like I'm using a DMR radio here. Okay. It's all in one. It's got its own speaker, its own interface. It does use the classic OpenSpot control panel, which you can just click here on the right. This is my control panel. It's very simple setup. Put in your DMR number. I don't think you even need to put in your course line because it picks it up from your DMR number. But anyway, let's say you do, and away you go, and your NXDN number. And to change modes, you just go, if you look here on the left, I don't know if you can see it, or you select quick setup. And you select the radio. Well, in that device, you won't have to select what you're on. Okay, but with the OpenSpot 4, you do. You select where you want to go, and you select the talk group, and you connect. It's that easy, and you will hear everything coming out of the m1Ke microphone. It does have a PTT. You can see it's got a clear case. It's quite a big device, I would say. It's not as small as, it doesn't look as small as the OpenSpot to me. Maybe it is. I haven't actually got one. I think it's a bit wider, but it does have a PTT built-in speaker and its own sort of black and white screen. And you can use this device and interact with it using that screen. I think it'd be a bit fiddly. There's buttons on the right hand side. Now it's been introduced at, let's just scroll down here price-wise. Let's see if I can see the new price. Click here for more information. And it says buy now. Let me get a price. Maybe it's free. Let me find the price for you. Okay, I found the price. €349, and then you pay some shipping. And the problem we've got since we left the EU in the UK, which is really frustrating, is that we have to pay additional tax, and it's about £70, so it's a lot of money. So if I get hold of one, if someone wants to send me one for review, of course I'm not going to keep it. I'll make videos, tutorials, learning myself how to use it and then demonstrating it in action. Yeah, I will. But at the moment, I've actually saved my, I'm saving up to get the new Yaesu radio, which is the FFTX1. Shack in the box, like the ICOM 705. I'm sort of saving up for that. That's my next thing that I want to get. Pretty much everything else I want, I feel like I've got. I feel like my shack is where I want it to be at the moment. So it's just that Yaesu radio. I'm 99% sure that ICOM are going to bring out some new radios this year. I don't know why. I've just got a gut feeling that they're going to bring out some new stuff this year. We've got the ICOM 7100. Cheers as well. Thanks for any coffees that you've bought me, or my wife. There's quite a demand now for a replacement for something like the ICOM 706 Mark II-G. A lot of people are saying bring that back. They did bring out that color version, the ICOM 7000, which I thought was an excellent set. Yeah, there may have been a couple of bits they could tweak on it if they chucked D-Star in. Nice, but not needed. If you ask me, a lot of people just want a shack in the box they do like color screens. They do like them. Yeah, the 7100 is very good. But you got those two modules. So I just feel like they're going to bring something out. Yaesu really, I don't know if they're planning it, but really they need to also do the same thing, bring back a Yaesu 857 type of car radio that that does everything. We know it's always a compromise, but they were some of the best-selling radios of all time. So why they just don't go down that road? I know we've got the Yaesu FT991A, but it's too big. You can't put that in your car. You know, you can, but it's too big. You know. So that's it. So just end up just saying to you that I really do like the OpenSPOT4 Pro. I think it's fantastic. I've still got the 3. I did have the 4, but I sold it. I've still got the 3, yeah, which is similar to the 4 Pro, but it doesn't have the sort of app that you can run with the 4 Pro. Not that I've ever really spoke to anyone that actually used the app, because the 4 Pro doesn't actually need a radio. And so I can see why they went with the m1Ke, because if the 4 Pro doesn't need a radio, well, effectively, that is like the m1Ke, because you can just use, you know, instead of talking into the m1Ke, you're talking to your phone, because the app does work. I tested it. When I had it, it worked. And they did do a really good Black Friday deal on that. I nearly pulled the trigger on it, but then I said, I feel like they're going to bring out an OpenSPOT4 Pro, and it's going to be like the m1Ke, but it's going to be a hotspot, yeah? But it's going to have a screen. That's my guess. So thanks for watching. That's my answer to that question. And please hit the like, subscribe, get my wife a coffee, join my YouTube channel. You can actually join my YouTube channel, and that would be great, because we'll all be one community together helping each other for years. Bye for now. 7-3, all the best.